We've created this assembly instruction video to help you put the finishing touches on your new Lekka bike. Step 1. Unpacking your bike and experience box. Run through these quick steps and you'll be exploring and adventuring in no time. So, without further ado, let's unbox your Lekka bike and feast your eyes on your newest sidekick. The first step is to unbox your new ride. Please remove the experience box from the packaging. This box will contain all the tools and accessories required to assemble your Amsterdam GT. Once you've removed the packaging, make sure you have your trusty toolkit to hand. In here you'll find the spanners, size 15, 13, 10 and 8, Allen keys size 6, 5, 4, 3 and 1.5, and Torx 25 key, and of course your Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you put the kickstand down when you're removing the bike from the box. Step 2. Fitting the handlebars. After you've gotten your Amsterdam GT out of the box, it's time to align the handlebar to the front wheel. Using a 4mm Allen key, loosen the handlebar stem. Next, align the handlebars so they are straight and perpendicular to the front wheel. Then, tighten the handlebar stem to the front fork using the 4mm Allen key. Let's get that protective packaging out of the way. Use the 5mm Allen key to adjust the angle of your adjustable handlebar stem. Once you've set your handlebar height, ensure that the handlebar and front wheel are aligned correctly. Firmly tighten the stem bolts. Congratulations, the handlebar is now properly in place. Step 3. Fitting the pedals. To assemble the pedals, you will need a 15mm open-ended spanner. Today we will start with the right pedal. You can recognise this by the large R. Insert the pedal into the crank and ensure the pedal is properly tightened. With your hands, attach the right pedal until you feel resistance. Now, for the last bit, take out the wrench and tighten them nicely and securely. Same goes for the left pedal, but this time take note, the left pedal is screwed in anti-clockwise. You can recognise the left pedal by the L stamped on the end of its spindle, as well as the grooves that wrap around its circumference. Easy, like that. Step 4. Battery setup. To remove the battery, insert and turn the key in the keyhole of the frame and remove it. To reinsert the battery, start by inserting the bottom part, then placing the top until you feel a click. Remove the key from the battery lock whilst riding. Never insert the key in the charging port, as this will short circuit the battery. You can charge the battery in or out of the bike. Please refer to your written manual for charge times and battery health tips, which can be found on our website. On the right side of the battery, you'll find the charging port. A full charge will take 4 hours. Once your battery has finished charging, recover the charging port with the protective rubber cap. Step 5. Getting ready to ride. To turn on your Amsterdam GT, use the display that's on the left-hand side of your handlebar. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. This will turn on the screen. Once on, you can scroll through the 5 levels of motor assistance using the plus and minus buttons on the front of the display. Finally, to turn on your front and rear lights, press and hold the plus button for 2 seconds. To change the gears, use the Enviolo speed hub located on the right-hand side of your handlebar. Step 6. Finishing touches. Always pump up your tyres before taking your Amsterdam GT for your first ride. On your tyre, you can see the minimum and maximum recommended tyre pressure. Using a 5mm Allen key, loosen the seat post clamp bolt and adjust the seat post height. Ensure it's at the correct height for you and tighten the bolt. Next step, safety. Let's first attach the reflectors. Once you've fitted the rear reflector, you can fit the other reflectors. Lastly, let's attach the bell. By opening one side of the attachment mechanism, you can easily slide the bell onto the handlebar. Once you are happy with the bell's position, you can firmly tighten the screws. And just like that, you assembled your own Amsterdam GT. From all of us at Lekker Bikes, we'd like to wish you well on all your adventures to come. And if there's something that we can help you with, please don't hesitate to contact us.